Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel Digitivity. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to give a perfect tearing effect to a photo. So watch the whole tutorial to understand it properly. Also subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated about upcoming tutorials. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. Now without wasting time, let's start the tutorial. Now without wasting time, let's start the tutorial. So here I am, inside my laptop screen. Let's go to GIMP and start our project. Click on the File option in the menu. Click New. I am using default sizes. If you want to customize the size of the background, you can do it from here, or use templates from here which is suitable for your composition. And click OK. Now I want to give some clothy look to our background. To do this, I'm gonna change the foreground color first by clicking here. I want to set it to blue. You can choose any color of your choice and hit OK. Now grab the bucket fill tool from the toolbox here. Make sure foreground color fill is selected in tool options here and click on the background. Now go to Filters in the top menu, then Artistic, and click on the Apply Canvas. It will open up a window where you can adjust the canvas effect. Then hit OK. Now let's import the image, which I will be using to give the tearing effect. To do this, go to the File option again, and click on Open as Layer. Then choose the image and click Open. If you want to follow along with the same image, the download link is available in the description below. This image is looking quite bigger than our canvas, and we need to scale it down. So let's grab the Scale tool from the toolbox and click on the image. Now grab any of these handles which are on the sides of the image and drag it to a suitable size. And click on Transform. Now click on Align tool from the toolbox, then click on the image and align the image to the center of our canvas by clicking on these two icons here. We need to make a white frame around our image so it will look like a real photograph. To do that, let's go to the Layers panel now. Right-click on the image layer and click on Alpha to Selection. Now go to the Select option from the menu and click on Grow. It will open a small window. I want to grow the selection by 20 pixels, so let's put the value here and hit OK. Now we need to create a new layer above the image layer. To do that, click on this icon below the Layers panel. We need a transparent layer, so make sure transparency is selected here and hit OK. Now we need to fill the selection with white color. To do that, let's grab the bucket fill tool from the toolbox. Since white is our active background color, let's go to Tool Options and select to fill with background color and click on our selection. It will turn into white color. Now click on this down arrow icon below the Layers panel to bring the new layer below the image layer. Now right-click on the image layer and click on Merge Down. Let's deselect the selected portion now. To do that, go to Deselect and click on None. Now duplicate the image layer by clicking on this icon below the Layers panel, and rename both layers as Upside and Downside by double-clicking on its name. Now select the upside layer by clicking on it and grab the free selection tool from the toolbox. And now I want to draw our selection like a torn piece in halfway somewhere around here, and to do that, I am going to click on the outside of our photo near this corner, and then click and hold the left mouse button somewhere around half of the photo, and then drag it like this. Now I am going to release the mouse button once I'm outside of the photo. It will make a selection point there. Then click on another corner here, and then click on the beginning point again to complete the selection. Now go to Select and click on Distort. It will open up a window. Change the value of Smooth to 3 and click OK. Now go to Edit and click on Clear. You can also press the Delete key on your keyboard if you are using the Windows operating system. Now select the downside layer, go to Select and click on Invert. Now go to Edit and click on Clear again. Now go to Select and click on None. Both layers are turned into two different pieces of the torn photo now. You can see the downside part of the photo if you hide the upside layer by clicking this small eye button. And you can see the upside part of the photo if you hide the downside layer. Now right-click on the downside layer and click Alpha to Selection. Now add a transparent layer. We need to fill the selection with white color in this new layer, and grab the Bucket Fill tool. So click on the new transparent layer and fill the selection by clicking on it. Now select the downside layer, grab the Move tool from the toolbox and drag the layer down slightly. Now right-click on the downside layer, and again click on Alpha to Selection. Now select the new layer. Go to Edit and click on Clear. We need to merge this white part to the upside layer. Now right-click on the new layer and click on Merge Down. Then go to Select and click on None. Now you can see if we bring the downside layer above the upside layer and drag it near the upside piece, we can join the photo exactly. Now we have to give some finishing effects to our work. But before, we need to get rid of these white lines which are left behind after deleting the extra portion. And to do that, I am going to grab the eraser tool and erase it quickly. Now grab the Rotate tool from the toolbox and rotate both pieces slightly. And we need to add shadow to these pieces of the photo. To do that, go to Filters, click on Light and Shadow, and then drop Shadow. It will open up a window. You can adjust opacity and blur levels here. Pick the suitable shadow effect and hit OK. Now go to another layer, go to Filters, and click Repeat Drop Shadow to apply the same effect. Thank you very much for watching. This was it for today's tutorial. If you found this video helpful in any way whatsoever, be sure to subscribe and turn on all notifications to my channel. And if you have any questions about this video or have any suggestions, please let me know in the comments section below. See you in the next tutorial. Take care.